Yeah, here we are for the closing session. All good things goes to an end. Well, I would like to start with thanking Andrea for the big job that he did with the socials, the communication. Unfortunately, he's not here with us. I prepared for him a nice bag with the Academy logo. So probably he's watching. Maybe we just make him an applause that we just did. And of course, I would like to thank Claudio for all the technical support and always ready to answer to the questions. We have a bag also for you. And Anne and Domenico, of course, thank you very much. And here we go with Steffi. Thank you very much, Steffi. Thank you. And let's proceed this session. I would like to invite on the stage a person that you already are familiar with. You saw him Monday during the opening. You saw him again Monday during the concert he was playing in Vilnius. I'm talking about our Vice Director for International Relations and Artistic Affairs, Henry David Varema.
Thank you. Well, indeed, on Monday I had the pleasure of opening this event with a very formal speech. Just now I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone, the people just mentioned, but also Paolo, who has been fantastic in doing all this, and all our helpers, Marek, Katrin, Nikita, whoever has been steering us through the possible chaos to a happy ending. And of course, it was a huge pleasure to be able to play in this concert from Vilnius. I have done similar events before, but this was quite special. And I've been following these developments over the past years. I mean, I'm just purely a musician, no IT knowledge whatsoever, but looking at the developments in these technologies and the ways they're implemented, and also seeing the research being done about the effect is fantastic. So I'm incredibly happy that this event took place at our Academy. Thank you for everyone. And now to Anne and Domenico for final words.
Of course, what I really would like to extend is my gratitude and thanks to all of our colleagues here in this beautiful, beautiful venue for your talent, your generosity of time. I know how much work it is to produce this workshop. We have a saying in the US, you have raised the bar. It's just getting better and better and better, and this was phenomenal. So thank you, all of you. And I also would like to just say that it is the greatest honor of my life to be working in this realm. We have technology, a world filled with technology. But this is the intersection that I always say is using technology to feed our souls. And that is a remarkable intersection, to have music and dance and theater, to have the arts look at how we can come together. It isn't really about the technology. It's about coming together. It's about building communities. And I have always believed that if we can build communities virtually, but also every now and then all come together in person, and then take those connections and keep them going, keep them alive through our remote collaborations, that is ideal. And that is really what this workshop is about, and I know it takes time and money to travel to be here, and we are so grateful to all of you who took the time to come and be here to make the human connections. So thank you.
And of course, it's my pleasure and honor to echo Anne in her thank you to every single person who made this happen. As Anne was saying, this requires quite a lot of work and coordination and passion, and we can't do technology without people. And one of the beautiful things about what we do, being at the crossroad and the intersection of art, technology, and science, is that it's all about the people. It's all about us being together and using technology, as beautifully said, and to feed our souls. That's why we are here, and that's why we are probably not a big community in terms of number, but we are an absolutely wonderful group of people who are passionate about sharing what we learn. And one of the most significant things for me is hearing from people, oh, that's the first thing I'm going to try as soon as I go home. That, you know, for us, making this, like, creating these events and organizing these events is what really matters, is the real impact. It's like doing a little new thing or stopping doing something that was not working and very well and doing something in a different way. That, for us, is the real impact. I just would like to say thank you to our wonderful host, to Paolo, to Trino, to Nikita and all the technical team who made this happen and worked so hard. And we stopped thinking about technology. We didn't even think about being streamed and having people watching us, having a recording of this online. And the only reason why we do that is because we have such an amazing technical team doing that. And of course, all the musicians, all the every person who participated and made this happen from an artistic point of view with their experience. Andrea, Steffi, and all the local organizing committee looking after the projector, the graphics, the audio, the network. So thank you very, very much. You made this possible. And as Anne was saying, the bar is now high. It would be difficult. Oh, no, it's increasingly difficult to do this in a better way. But that's the kind of challenge we like. So thank you very, very much, and see you next year.
One last group here to thank are the caterers. This has been the best catering at a conference I've ever been to. And they have made for us box lunches, so if you are traveling, you can take it with you to go. So thank you also to the lovely catering team here. They've taken good care of us.